Buju? All right. Virtual field day challenge number
3.
this way. This way. 3. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. This is the paper airplane cornhole game. Okay. So what you have is you have 1 minute to make as many paper airplanes land in the bucket. We have the recycle bin. I also had a lot of this other bucket out here, but the bigger the bin, the better your chances you're gonna make it. So you can do a scoring. You can score like 2 points for everyone that's in, 1 point for everyone that's out. But let's just see how many you can make in there in 1 minute, and I will start the timer now.
Ooh, close. Ooh.
What's top of this 1 minute? You have it.
Keep going.
It's not working.
That's okay.
Get a little closer. You're halfway. Go down a little bit.
Ah. Oh, that was close.
2 more. Hey!
You go. Hurry up. Hurry
You're
up.
supposed to wheeze
No,
out.
no. Keep going. You can get more than 3.
Keep
Go.
going. Oh, good flight on that one. Yeah.
All right, time's up. So Braden got 2 in there in 1 minute. See if you can beat Braden. Remember, post a video if you're doing it. Put it to our SCA Facebook page. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. Mama Pete.